A Caso Brave 7 LE action camera utilizes IPX7 water-resistant and Innovate dual-color screens design. It features 4K 30 frames per second video and records smooth footage with electronic image stabilization. With the upgraded waterproof case, you can deep dive up to 131 feet. Want to record slow-motion video? The Brave 7 LE is for you.
Fjorden.
Hi, I'm Victor, a photographer, scientist, and the founder of Fjorden. Fjorden is a pocketable professional iPhone camera grip, featuring a 2-stage shutter button, customizable control dial, a multifunction button, and a zoom lever. Fjorden is also a fully adjustable iPhone kickstand in portrait and landscape mode. Why did we build it? The story of Fjorden starts in 1983. That's me with my first camera, a Rollei 35. I loved it and I've been shooting ever since. On film, full frame, and increasingly, my iPhone. But in decisive moments, I missed the speed and precision of my real camera. So Fjorden was born to bring precision camera controls to iPhone photography.
Fjorden is on fashion shoots in Oslo. Fjorden is in the industrial design office of Frost, shooting Fjorden prototypes.
I love that you can use it with one hand, and with this extra lens, your phone becomes a very powerful compact camera.
I really like this kickstand feature, it's so useful.
And of course, Fjorden is at the fjords.
You can use it with gloves, in portrait mode, and selfie mode, and then throw it back in your pocket.
Fjorden is the result of years of prototyping. Drawing inspiration from classic rangefinder cameras, Norwegian design, and the Bauhaus principle of form following function. The form is slim and pocketable. The functions are customizable. The grip is comfortable. The battery is annual. And it's designed to follow your phone as you upgrade and to fit within Apple's MagSafe ecosystem. Form follows function.
The manufacturing process has begun, and now we need your support to bring Fjorden to photographers everywhere. Whether you're shooting street, portrait, or travel, Fjorden helps you get the perfect shot. So turn your iPhone into a pocketable precision camera and back Fjorden on Kickstarter today.
Welcome back to KPXN Los Angeles, all traffic, all the time. For those of you heading on home to that special someone, here's some traffic update for downtown Los Angeles. The time is 7:30 p.m. There's a bit of build-up on 110.
请您再次扫码认证，同步乘车信息。 Alpha.
The weather's so beautiful, hey? A little bit windy, but feeling great.
You know, this actually belonged to my sister, and she gave it to me.